You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know you've been wondering how to say it. This is when you get back to a diet of hunter-gatherer ancestors, our ancestors. And yes, it has two different pronunciations in English. The British in the UK, British English pronunciation is as paleo. Yes, that's why you've heard people say paleo. In the US, however, it's generally pronounced as paleo. So the two pronunciations do exist, and you have people in the UK or elsewhere, Australia, Canada, saying paleo as well. So the two pronunciations are correct, paleo or paleo diet. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.